Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I will show you how you can add new contacts or participants to WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, make sure to update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store in the search box, typing in WhatsApp, or simply download or update the WhatsApp app to the latest version from website. Once you've updated, you will simply open your WhatsApp application, and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Now add new contacts to WhatsApp. At the bottom left you'll be able to see this chat icon, select it. And now you have to simply tap on this icon. And you'll be able to see a list of different options. Now simply fill in the name of that particular contact. And also type in their number. And select where you want to save this number. You can select your any Gmail account or your phone storage of your choice. Once you have selected the saving path, tap on the Save. As you tap on the Save button, you have successfully added new contacts to WhatsApp. Now what you could do is, you can simply use a search box and then you can type in that particular person's name, and you'll be able to see that they already have WhatsApp. So this is very easily step to add new contacts to WhatsApp. If you think this video is helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button, and turn on all notification icon.